Hi friends, today we are going to make onion chicken pakoda.
This onion chicken pakoda has a different taste compared to normal chicken pakoda recipes. It has a special covering of fried onions. It's a variety chicken pakoda. You will love this chicken recipe. Let's move to the video. To marinate chicken in a bowl, take 300 grams of chicken. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 by 4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Cover it and keep aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the marinated chicken, add 5 tablespoons besan flour, (1.5 tablespoon rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 sliced onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 3 tablespoon coriander leaves, 4 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Now take 4 tablespoon oil. Add the chicken pieces in batches. Deep fry for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir well when required to avoid crowding. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Cook till chicken pieces turns into brown in color. Our onion chicken pakoda is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.